Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a group in Splitwise. To begin, open the Splitwise app and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the starting point where you can access your balances, friends, and groups. If the app takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before moving on. Once you're in the app, look toward the lower left area of the screen and tap on Group. This will take you to the section where all of your Splitwise groups are listed. If you're part of multiple groups, this is where you can browse through them and choose the one you want to manage. Next, tap on the group you want to delete. In this example, it's a sample group, but on your screen, simply select the correct group from the list. Before continuing, it's a good idea to make sure you've opened the right one, especially if some groups have similar names. Deleting a group is an important action, so taking a second to confirm you're in the correct place can help avoid mistakes. After opening the group, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where Splitwise keeps the management options for that specific group. You'll usually find things like group details, member settings, and other administrative controls here. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Delete Group option. Depending on your device, you may need to scroll a little or a lot. So move carefully and watch the menu items as you go. The Delete option is usually placed lower down because it's considered a more permanent action. When you see Delete Group, tap on it. At this point, Splitwise will typically ask you to confirm your choice. This extra confirmation is there to help prevent accidental deletion, which is especially useful if the group contains shared expenses or records you may want to review first. Finally, tap on the confirmation that appears to complete the deletion. Once confirmed, the group will be removed from your Splitwise account. If you don't see the group disappear right away, give the app a moment to update or refresh the page if needed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a group in Splitwise. If you're cleaning up old or inactive groups, this is a simple way to keep your account organized and easier to navigate.